Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect your PS5 controller to your PS5 when it is blinking blue and refusing to pair. That flashing blue light usually means your DualSense is searching for a connection but can't find the console. And it can be incredibly frustrating when you are just trying to play. There are four proven ways to snap your controller out of this blue link loop and get back to your games. The first thing you should try is a system power cycle. Sometimes the Bluetooth registry in the PS5 gets a bit cluttered, especially if you have been using the controller on a PC or mobile phone. Completely turn off your PS5 by holding the power button on the front of your console until you hear two beeps. Unplug the power cord from the wall for at least 2 minutes to fully clear the system cache. While it is unplugged, plug your controller into the front USB port using a legit data cable. Plug the console back in, turn it on, and then press the PS button on the controller. This often forces a fresh handshake between the hardware. If it is still blinking, you likely need to perform a hard reset on the controller. Flip your DualSense over and look for the tiny hole near the L2 button. Use a paper clip or a SIM ejector tool to press and hold the hidden button inside for 5 full seconds. This wipes the controller's internal pairing memory. Once done, connect it to the PS5 with your USB-C cable and press the PS button. Many users forget that even a tiny bit of ghost connection to a nearby laptop can keep the controller blinking blue, and this reset is the only way to kill that connection.